Malaking sinagot na itong si Coach Tim sa isang panayam, ilang linggo nga bago maganap, etong nalalapit na mga laban ng Pilipinas dito sa panibagong window ng FIBA. Yan matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bulero, alam naman natin na opisyal lang nagawa ng Magnolia na tapusin ang kanilang serye kalaban ng Phoenix matapos maling pangunahan ni Bey ang nasabing tapatan after tong makapagtala ng 41 points, 20 rebounds at 4 na assists. Pero maliban dyan, a few days ago matapos ng opisyal na malaglag sa playoff round, etong koponan ni Tim, hanggang ngayon patuloy na laman pa rin yan ang usap-usapan, especially matapos lang namang 3-0 ng San Miguel ang nasabing serye. Kaya naman dahil dito, sa maagang pagkakalaglag ng barangay sa playoff period, di nakataka-taka matapos masisi ng ilang fans etong kanilang replacement import. Kaya naman sa isang panaya matapos ang ball game, di nga napigilan ni Bishop na sumagot regarding sa bagay na yan.
You know, this is my first year just learning these guys, learning the team. And you know, and for me, you know, I do what I do. Everybody knows my game. I play all parts of the game. I play defense. I can guard 1 through 5. You know, I can shoot. I can penetrate. I can do all types of things. So for me, I don't care what nobody says. It goes in through one ear and out the other. You know, so for me, I continue to play my game and to continue to do what I can do to help the team. And get this series, we were able to get it. I tip my hat to these guys because they were the better team right now in this series.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, sa kabilangan nitong maagang pagkakatanggal ng koponan ni Tim sa playoff round this Commissioner's Cup, kinabukasan lang matapos ang laban, nabawi agad dyan. After nga siyang opisyal na ipakilala ng SBP bilang long-term na head coach ng Pilipinas. Kaya naman sa isang panayam, di nga naiwasan na mahingan siya ng opinyon regarding sa kanyang plano para sa Gilas, especially na ilang linggo na lang, magsisimula na naman itong panibagong window ng FIBA.
We've tried to develop a system in which we can satisfy all the stakeholders and keep everybody trying to move in one direction, and so we're hoping that's what we did. I think the first window is going to be a little mugaloo because of we didn't give them the dates that we needed to have in terms of preparation. So it's right during the finals. The window is right at the end of the finals. So some of the players will be in the finals, but hopefully this is the only time that we don't smooth it out, and because we have the schedule out for even the next 4 years, and we've already presented to the stakeholders and PBA, the UAP, the NCAA. So we're hoping that this doesn't happen anytime in the next 4 years.